Well, Sid, where are we?
We're at the Tesla showroom in New Delhi.
That's right. It says
That's
Tesla back there. And the red car, which is hidden by a lot of people, that's the Model Y,
Y.
which is what Tesla is going to be selling in India. You want to get that part out of the way first, on what the vehicles are?
So they're going to sell the Model Y in India. There are going to be two models. One is the long range one is the front wheel drive one. They're both priced differently. Starts about 59 lakh rupees, goes up to like 67 lakh rupees ex showroom. Of course, taxes, everything in, you can guess, like whatever the price
Top
could be.
model, 75 lakhs.
Yeah. And
Not bad. I mean, we're talking about a premium product, so very decent on pricing.
correct.
You want
And-
to move closer to the car?
Yeah, and the doors are open, let's go. The doors are open for customers. It's at World Mark III in Aerocity. I think this is going to be like a super busy joint for
Very busy.
for an automotive dealership.
It is. I think Tesla has that craze. I think there's a lot of curiosity around the brand. People really want to know what Tesla is all about.
Correct.
And we've been kind of waiting for Tesla to come to India for years. It's been an announcement going back and forth. Elon yes, Elon no. Government yes, government no. But they're finally here. And they're taking it a little slow, according to me. According to Sid, not so much. But, one showroom in Bombay and now the one over here in Delhi. So
Now, I want to ask Vikram this question. If we talk about like the premiumness of what Tesla is trying to do over here.
Yeah.
In Aerocity, a dealership in Aerocity, very prime, very premium spot.
yeah.
They've kind of positioned themselves completely differently than every other automaker out there who's trying to do electric. What are your thoughts on that?
So I think EVs are also sort of maturing.
Yeah.
Okay, they started off as a sunrise segment. The numbers are still niche in India, but we're talking about different segments now. You've got the small EVs, you got the micro EVs like the MG Comet,
Correct.
right? You got the luxury EVs with like the EQS and stuff like that.
Correct.
From Mercedes. And now, different brands coming in with their own unique touch to it. I think Tesla is one of those that plays like an upper middle class kind of game. Okay, they're not premium segment, but they are more premium than your Tatas and Mahindras.
Here's what I think. I think new money Indians will definitely go for Teslas. Old money might not. They've got only limited numbers that are coming here to India, of course. But what Tesla really wants to focus on is sustainability. What they really want to focus on is, yes, you can go electric even in India right now, given the infrastructure that we have. That is something that both Vicky and I will test for sure.
Absolutely.
We have plans to take this car to where?
We want to take it to Ladakh.
We want to take it to Ladakh. So if anyone at Tesla is watching this, hit us up. We'd be more than happy to take the Model Y to Ladakh. And yes, this one comes with higher ground clearance for India.
Yeah.
It comes with better acoustics inside, so that you get like less NVH levels. And of course, the range anxiety is something which you will have little less on the Tesla Model Y over here. Tell us what your thoughts are.
But going back to the buyer, Sid conveniently left out one kind of buyer, okay, because he's Canadian, okay, and a lot of Canadians are going to come back to India and buy Teslas because why not?
I'm not one of them.
They have a Tesla there, they can have a Tesla here.
I'm not one of them.
But jokes apart, it is a market for a lot of NRIs, a lot of families,
Correct.
To have that convenience of a model that they use over there to have it over here as well. So jokes apart, yes, the other segment is your US and Canadian NRIs that we can look at.
And tell us, what are your thoughts about the new Model Y here in India? What we're going to do is we're going to show you the craziness or the madness that is happening here.
Yeah.
Because we need to check out. Because the showroom first day
It's packed.
is packed with a lot of
And
people.
let's take a look.